Hello and welcome to Pilates L.I.F.T Low Impact Fitness Training. We have a 20-minute full body routine prepared for you. We're going to first start with an upper body using just the band and then progressing to light weights that are only 3 pounds. So starting with just the band, we're going to begin upper body with the band, a bicep external rotation without weights. You don't want to use any more than 3 pounds. So anywhere between 1, 2, and 3 pounds at the most. We'll do a count of 8 on each set, just to make it easy, and then we'll add the weight and do another count of 8 on each set. For the next move, we're going to extend our arms like the serving tray and alternate 8 bicep curls each. And then we'll move to 8 single bicep curls. And make sure you're creating resistance with the band. So your hands should be even with your shoulders. And alternating bicep extensions and bicep curls, 8 on each side. Now we're going to rotate the wrist and focus on the forearm. 8 singles. Alternate. 8 on each side. 5, 4. And now we're going to move into targeting the shoulders with lifting pulses. Starting with 8 sets of 4, we're going to pulse up for 4 and down for 4. Repeat that again. Turn up for 4 and down for 4. Keep going up for 4 and back down for 4. You can add 7 side steps here. Moving 4, 3, 2, 1. 7 more sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to move on to a bicep curl and shoulder press with the arms fully extended. Here we can also choose to take a sumo squat. We want to come here, up, and back down for 8. 8. That's 7. 6. 5. 4. Make sure you are squatting like you are sitting using your glutes. 2 and 1. Now we're going to do a burnout by extending our arms, doing circles each side 4 to 8 times each. We do them 8 times together and then singles or alternating direction. Now we're going to move into the steering wheel, which is basically like driving and targeting the shoulders. Okay, now we're going to move to triceps. You can do this with a lunge or without a lunge. The tricep kick back, 16 each side. Rather than 8 single pulses, and then I'm rotating the wrist back for another 8 pulses. Want to repeat it on the other side. So 8 pulses, we want to keep our elbow to our hip like it's glued to our hip. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to rotate my wrist to the back of the room for 8 whole beats. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now I'm going to do some overhead tricep extensions, a single on each side for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Before I switch to the other side, I'm going to pull out like an arrow for 8. Another 4 more, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then repeat in a tricep extension overhead on the other side for 8. 6, 5, 4 more, 3, 2, last 1. Now reaching this one out with an arrow for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Always remember to keep your core tight when you're doing each of these exercises, especially when it comes to balancing. We're going to now repeat these exercises with the band and the light weight. Remember, you probably don't want to do any more than 3 pounds. So we're going to start with doing our bicep external rotations. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to move on to the serving tray with extended arms, alternating bicep and forearm rotations. 4 more, 3, 2, 1, alternating 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now I'm rotating my wrist, my palms are facing down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm alternating each side. 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Remember to always keep tension on that band. Now we're going to move to shoulder pulses. You can do 4 up and 4 down if that works better for you. We're just doing a full set of 8. So 4 and 4 more to go. 3, 2, and final 1. You should be feeling that burnout.
Move on to circle.
Now we're going to
Do 8 on each side.
and then rotating the other direction for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Singles are optional. And then using the other arm, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Now we're going to move on to the steering wheel.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bonus if you want to do the other 8, 7, 6, 4, and 1. Now we're going to move on to our tricep. So moving into that lunge for 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1, rotating the wrist back for 8 pulses. 2 and 1. And then we're going to keep that on the other side. A kickback, 8, 7, 6, 5. The other hand is just holding this steady. Make sure your hip is to your elbow. And then rotating the wrist back for those pulses. For 8, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to do those single tricep overhead extensions for 8. You can hold on to the band for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you're gripping onto the band, and then those arrows for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're going to let go of that grip with your thumb, grip it with the other side, and holding for those overhead extensions for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then for the arrows, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. And that is it for your upper body. And we will now move to our mat exercise portions and lower body for Pilates.